Hi, I am Disney faidid Martinez, Madrid, and this is my history. I am from the capital city of Colombia, Monteria, Córdoba. It is a lovely city, and this is time the trees are dressed yellow. I am 89 years old. I work at a college. My full name is Disney faidid, but I'd like to be called faidid. My address email is faidid4@hotmail.com, and my number cell phone is 32267077805. This is my family. My daddy is Carlos Martinez, my mom is Enaris, and my sister are Daisy and Kira Martinez, Madrid. My son is Mario Andres, my nephews are Adrián Manuel and Cristian Gabriel, and my niece is Isabela Sofia. In my free times, I like riding a bike with my family. This is my picture, and thank you.